Hey guys, we made it to Orlando and we are in our rental car right now, and I'm just gonna start this off by being totally honest and we'll just dive into what happened. So we're on our way to the airport this morning and all of a sudden it hits me, I don't have my camera. I'm literally the worst YouTuber in the world. I forgot my camera. So we're racking our brains thinking like, can we overnight it? Do we buy a new camera? Do we, like, all the possible options? And because we're only here for the weekend, there was no way to guarantee it would get here by tomorrow morning, to pay like over $100 to get it overnighted. And you know what? I'm just gonna use my phone and do what I can and hope this turns out well. I'm so disappointed, but it is what it is. So I apologize in advance if the quality seems not as great as it always is, but I'm just gonna make it work. So anyway, we're really excited still. Why are you like, you're just laughing?
It's just funny.
I mean, it kind of is. The reason, like, yeah, we come down here, I'm gonna vlog my trip and I forget my camera.
Everything.
Yeah, let's see if I can get this lighting to even come. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the lighting is already weird. I'm gonna have to get used to filming on my phone. Well, it is what it is. So thank you guys for understanding and realizing that, you know what, I'm not perfect and mistakes happen, and
there's grace.
I have no idea how that happened. I have no idea how I forgot it, but
we have the charger. So if you have
the charger.
If you have a Sony a5000 and need a charger.
I have everything. I have my little handheld grip. I have my SD card. I literally have everything that I need. I have the case for it. I have everything except the camera. So anyway, but we are on our way to Coronado Springs to check into Gran Destino right now. So we will see you guys there. We're here. Here it is. Ah. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. All right, here it is.
This is insane.
Oh my goodness. You gonna see what's down there? Wow. Crazy. I love it. All right, well, we're already checked in, so I guess we can head to the elevators. All right. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so we're on floor 5. Elevator C. Oh, perfect. Right here. All right. So we are in room 519. All right, are you gonna do the honors?
Here we go. The coolest thing.
All right. Oh my word. Babe, what in the world? This is so nice. So we did get a king bed and we have the standard view, which I think if we had a higher floor, you would be able to see Tower of Terror, and you can see a little bit of Blizzard Beach over there. But I think if we had a higher floor, we'd have a better view, but this is just the standard view. So anyway.
Set in the air.
And it says the Hart family.
Yes.
Yeah, crank that air down. It is toasty.
It's like humid in the room.
Not until we get that air going. Oh man, this is so nice. Hey guys, okay, I know the last thing you saw was us checking out the room. We just checked in and we ended up freshening up, going to Magic Kingdom, hanging out there for a little bit, and then hopping over to Epcot. We had dinner at Rose and Crown and all of that. And if you saw the beginning of the vlog, you knew that I don't have my camera. So I did a poll on my community tab on YouTube and had asked you guys, you know, what do you want me to do? Should I just vlog what I can on my phone, or should I just do these recaps at the end of the day? And I had an overwhelming response of people saying either vlog what you can or just enjoy your trip and don't worry about it. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of both. So that's what I'm doing right now. So just giving you a quick little recap of what we did yesterday. And I know it was kind of an awkward vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching. And I will have my room tour linked in a separate video, so definitely check that out. That will be linked if that's up already. And I think that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.